Hey everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I have a fall DIY, four very simple DIYs we're going to do today, and that will detail us getting our napkin rings prepped for the fall. Now you're going to need about 4 packs of these depending how many napkin rings you're doing per table setting. I'm only doing 4, but if you have a 6-piece table setting or 8, then you need to buy additional bags. But in the video today, we're only going to be doing 4 napkin ring holders. So the first one is very simple. And what I did was I had some bling wrap, and then I went to the Dollar Tree, and they have the these adhesive little dots, the Velcro ones, and I just glued them on each end, and this was already measured cut. I made these simple napkin ring holders for my granddaughter's baby shower like 3 years ago, and I just stumbled upon them in the garage, and I thought this would be a nice DIY to show you how simple it is to cover the Dollar Tree napkin rings. So what I did back in the day, I just took the Dollar Tree gym wrap, wrapped it around and measured it, and once again I just simply glued these Velcro strips on, one inside and one on top, and you just lay it around like so, and you go under and you just pull it tight and you fasten it, and that quick you have a instant bling napkin ring holder for probably less than 50 cents, if you would say, because you get 6 in the pack of these for $1, so you divide that through 6, and then a whole spool of bling wrap. And you're going to need 3, 4, 5. It's on these, it's a 5 bling wrap. Hope you can find the 5 bling, and it has to be the wide one. And that quick, I have beautiful napkin ring holder. So I'm just going to show you the other 3, and you're just simply tying it on, and then you can always pull these off to recycle and use your napkin ring holder for something else. There's no glue involved unless you want to secure it on. And that's it. And these are great for baby showers, weddings, and you can reuse them. And just make sure the bling part is showing. So now I have 4 fast napkin ring holders for your table. So that's project number 1. Now, project number 2, I am going to take, I have a roll of jute, and I am going to start there and just glue this around. So let's get the start point started. Get that laid down like so. Be careful, the glue gun is very hot. We're just going to wrap that around. Very easy projects today. Sit on a rainy day and have some beautiful napkin rings that do not cost, does not break the bank. And then you get gratification that you actually created this. So all we're doing is just gluing and going around, making sure that it's lined up and it is tight. So that didn't take long for the first one. And then you just want to cut that end off and make sure that you put some glue down to secure that end so it doesn't come unraveled. You can use your glue gun to secure it, just like that. To have it like a rusted look, I like it this way, but I am going to add some Dollar Tree picks that I found in the sunflower. You may have seen this in my Dollar Tree haul, my fall Dollar Tree haul a couple weeks ago. So I'm just going to cut the stem off the little holder so it'll lay flat. And I'm just going to find, you can have it, your napkin ring holder this way, or you can turn it. I think I'm going to do it this way. And all you're doing is just laying your sunflower pick on, and then you're going to add some glue underneath so they can stick. And that is it. Very simple and fast fall napkin ring holder. I think that's going to be adorable for a fall tablescape. So I'm going to work on the next three because I am actually creating this for a fall tablescape. And so while I have you here, you can watch me finish doing the other three, and then we'll move into project 3. And for this one, I think we're going to side right there. So there you go. You have 4 pretty rustic sunflower napkin rings. Oh, I thought these are really cute. Okay, so the supplies you will need, you know, you're gonna need a twine of jute, ribbon for yourself. Dollar Tree sells these, I believe, 6 in a pack. You can go back and refer to my Dollar Tree video to show you, you know, what they look like. And you're gonna need a pack of this. Glue gun, of course. All right, so now we are going to work on project number 3. So I have 4 more napkin ring holders. And I showed you these picks in my last Dollar Tree haul. So I am going to be using that bright orange and like the burnt plum burgundy style, because I'll be doing a tablescape somewhat in these colors. I did go back and I found some more of the pretty creams, and they also had it in the peach. But I'm going to be saving these for another project that will be coming after this. So all I'm going to do, I was thinking to utilize these again, the recycle, is maybe just to clip these on, and then you have a instant napkin ring holder. You can do it like that. Just real quick. And you know, on the bottom they have a clip on these, so that makes it really very easy to do. And then you have your instant napkin ring holders, and then you also can pull this apart, and if you want it to be permanent, you know, you would just cut all of that off and stick it on there, and then you could put some type of ribbon to cover up the silver part if you like. But these flowers are so big that I think when you have it sitting on your table like so, you really wouldn't see the silver part. And you can also lay it down that way, or you can have it, you know, standing up. But this part would show. So you can do some type of decorative part for this. You may want to use the twine again, the jute, and decorate it so you can have some type of like a farmhouse flair to it. But very nice and simple with the clip-on picks. So that is project number 3. I am not going to jazz up the napkin ring holders because I have plans of reusing these again and this as well. But this is just some little samples to show you what you can simply do to jazz up your table. 3. Now, project 4, I found some more ears of corn from the Dollar Tree, which is great because they're giving you 2 in a pack. And then let's get these open. I got it in the yellow. And then the kind of burnt orange with the black seeds. And I thought this would be a nice napkin ring holder by just gluing this on like so. Or you can, you know, kind of put it on a diagonal, and then we're gonna cover these up. So here I have my ribbon, all my ribbons. It's easier for me just to unravel the ribbon instead of keep pulling them off. So I think I'm gonna go with this nice taupe color. And all I'm doing is getting glue, lining it up, right down. That's all we're doing. And you can pick what color ribbon you like. And just gonna take a line of glue right there and go around. Now I am going to cut it and lay that part down. It's now covered, and then all I do, you know, you can unravel the stalk on the corn to make it look full. So, and then I'm gonna take this piece here where I started, because that's where the imperfection is, and I'm just going to lay down the napkin, the corn on the napkin. So I'm just gonna add some generous hot glue to it, and then I'm gonna stick it on there. Now these are really heavy, so you may have to hold it for a little bit, you know, with your fingers and your thumb inside of the hole to make sure that it adheres to it. You want to use a stronger adhesive so you can keep these on, you know. And that didn't take no time at all. Okay, I am back, and as you seen in that last segment, I did one napkin ring holder in a nice gold, one in a orange, one in like a light brown, and then we have like a cream taupe color. And it didn't take me that long, even though you've seen it in fast, time lapse. But I thought these are you're going to be unique and nice on my Thanksgiving table. So be looking out when I start doing my fall decor, and you'll be seeing these. Now this was project 4, so I'm going to go backwards. And then we did these today. These are going to be fabulous. Very nice. These. And then we did the beautiful rustic sunflower with the jute. These are going to be really pretty as well on your table. And then just your basic, very simple glam with the rhinestones that you can reuse, take it off, reuse, and you can either do it in silver, gold, or it just doesn't have to be the rhinestones. You can pick any type of color that you have. Always use what you have at home. This is our 4 lovely projects that we worked on today. So let me know down in the comments section if you make these. I wish that we were able to share pictures down in our comments section to show each other. But you can always come on my Facebook page and put a picture there. Alright, so as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in another fall decor DIY. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like, turn that bell on, and leave me a lovely comment. Bye-bye.